Well, it's a play to do with Tiree and old stories. Well, there's a story about a mermaid, a story about a guy's head who got cut off. It's this guy called Jura John, or his story, which is he cut someone's head off. Well, I'm doing backstage and lighting. That's just setting all the lights up and moving them around and whatnot. Yeah, it's fun. I like it. Yeah, I think it will look good.
Hi, my name's Derek. I used to be friends with Aquaman and live in Atlantis. But now, as you can see, I had a tragic accident and now I'm dead. Just waiting for some 2 little girls to find me. Bye for now, broski. Well, we're doing a performance about all the old stories of Tiree, and I'm in one of them. Obviously, I'm the mermaid, and that's really cool. And yeah, big performance. The other stories, there's picture of Jean. Yeah, it looks quite scary. There's me, kind of the main part. Yay. Found in Greeno Beach. Totally check that out. I think there's a few other ones that you should definitely check out as well.
I am the leader of the Vikings, and you will die today, for I am the mightiest man on earth. Attack! Hamisha and Viking fair share, ants and turl. Doll Anish. Yeah, it's been really fun getting to act with everyone and being on stage and with all the costumes and everything. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the show.
I'm the mermaid. Well, I got washed up on the beach and I'm dead. And there's Big Dear John, there's the mermaid story, that's me. And there's the gloomy forest. Yeah, I hope you really enjoy the show, but don't judge me. This is my first time.
I am a fairy. I live in a cave. Caves in Canavara. I am in the Piper of Canavara. I make a dog hairless. Beware. Watch out for fairies on your way home tonight. They might trick you and take you into a cave.
Myona, she's gone. Nobody helped her, and now she's gone. Now it's too late. She's gone. Modunya, Hea Falov, Kadohuchi Dunya Sambi, Hea Falov, Hea Raw Anima, Hea Falov. Well, I'm the dog in the Piper of Kenavara. I go down in the cave with Myona. I come out at the end without my hair.
Vami jedig cheating shot or son granny. Gehopen vaton uvasach mod. And agus vami erin ganyach. I only came here for Granny, but the waves were so big and now I'm on the sand. And my cousin fell on the sand like I did. And then some people found him and then they buried him, which wouldn't be the way to go for a normal mermaid. I hope you enjoy the show and just remember I am not the mermaid, I am his cousin.